Right, so we're going to continue in the reading writing connection with different strategies to use to find a main idea of a passage. Might be a paragraph, an entire book, whatever it might be. So we talked about general and specific things already. So now we want to move on. Another strategy you can use is to use the topic to lead you to the main idea. So again, if you follow along in the book, or the pages I sent you, I guess. So we're on page 52 now. So we already talked about looking for a general statement to lead us to the main idea. And then you look to see if that statement's supported by evidence, facts. So another way is to look for the topic. So often we'll have, headings, chapter names, things like that that tell us a specific topic. So again, on page 52 here, if we might have a textbook called Why We Communicate, and then it'll have subtopics going along with it. Physical needs, identity needs, social needs, practical goals. So for each section in this book, you would use that topic to help lead you to the main idea. The subtopic, physical needs. We know that the main idea in that passage is going to have something to do with physical needs. If you aren't given any topics, though, you can also ask yourself a question, who or what is this section or selection about? So you might not have the topic listed, but you can still look to see what the general topic is. So if we look back at the paragraph we looked about poor grades, if we talk about the overall topic of the paragraph, we would probably say it's poor grades. All of our examples in there talk about poor grades in school. So that would be our topic. And then that it can help lead us to our main idea. So we have another paragraph here on page 53. So read through that on your own. And then if we want to look at what the topic of the paragraph is, we want to ask, what the paragraph is about. So in this case, we're given the topic in the first word, phobias. So things people are afraid of. And then so the number of the sentence that states the main idea, again, would be the first one. It gives us our topic, phobias. They are continuing fears of things that are not likely to be harmful. Again, so we know everything in that paragraph is going to be about main ideas. So you've got a little bit of practice here for the next few pages. So go ahead and work through that. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to page 58. So another thing we can do is use keywords to understand a main idea. So sometimes these are like transition words, like we've talked about. Transition words show us that we're talking about something new. And then we can also use list words to kind of give us a clue that something might be the topic. So we have a list of list words here, things like several kinds of, a series of, a few reasons, 3 factors. So these are all words that tell us that we're probably going to have a list of things. Some examples here. Being a middle child in a large family has several drawbacks. So several drawbacks tells us we're probably going to list all of the drawbacks. So that can let us know that the topic, is being a middle child. Then that overall idea is the drawbacks. Same on page 59, some of these transition words, first of all, next, in addition. Again, just like we've already talked about in paragraphs, these tell us that we're moving on to a new idea. So again, just some things about the main ideas. You can find the central point. You find this same way you might find the main idea. So first you want to identify the topic, then look for supporting material, and then just see what it all adds up to find that topic. So you've got some more exercises here. And again, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.